Hive defines luxury and functionality for off-road campers. Combining style with durability, the Hive XX is priced at $49,400 for the wood cabin and $54,600 for the aluminum version. Its 200 Ah lithium battery and 2000 W sine wave inverter deliver dependable power during road trips. With a 42-gallon water tank, it's well equipped for extended outdoor journeys. Interiors of the XX are smartly designed. A Snowmaster fridge, freezer, sink, and dual-burner stove complete the kitchen. Rear leveling jacks and electric brakes give the XX stability across rough terrains, while the swing arm-mounted full-size spare tire boosts its off-road performance. For convenience, the XX features a gas water heater shower and portable toilet, with solar panels making it perfect for off-grid experiences. Exterior lighting and rugged wheels keep you ready for any condition. Dometic awning. If you need more space, simply inflate a dedicated awning. Setting up these awnings is incredibly easy. First, arrange the poles and drape the fabric over them. Once the material is stretched over the trailer, inflate the parts, and voila, the structure is ready to use. There are different types of awnings available in various sizes. Some are 10 feet tall and 13 feet wide, offering room for 2 to 3 extra people, while others extend the trailer for even more space. Regardless of the season, the awning's unique material keeps you dry and protected from rain or snow. The great thing about inflatable awnings is how quickly they can be taken down for travel. Simply deflate and pack them into their specialized bags, making your camping experience spacious and hassle-free. Rooftop tents have become a popular option for car camping, especially for those traveling with a vehicle. They provide a cozy place to sleep above the ground, keeping you away from bugs and small animals, and often include extra space for storing your gear. When picking a tent, think about how many people will be sleeping in it. Rooftop tents come in different sizes, from compact 2-person models to larger ones that can sleep 4 or more. It's important to consider how much room you'll need for both sleeping and storing your things. The weight of the tent is another key factor, especially for vehicle owners. Make sure your roof rack can hold the tent's weight, plus any extra items you plan to carry on top. Also, consider how simple the tent is to set up and take down. The Opango Aerial A1 puts a creative twist on camping shelters by mixing elements of a tent and a hammock. It uses a sturdy suspension system that straps between 2 trees. Cruacula Solo Insulated Tent is a smart solution made for solo travelers who value warmth and comfort during outdoor trips. It uses advanced insulation technology to help control the temperature, keeping you warm in the cold and cool when it's hot. Its small and lightweight build makes it simple to carry and quick to set up, making it ideal for hiking, camping, or any activity where saving space and weight matters. The Cruacula Solo is also built to last, with strong weather resistance that offers dependable protection in different conditions. With its clever design and quality materials, this tent gives you a warm, secure space so you can fully enjoy your outdoor adventures. Alpcore XL Camping Cot, priced at $90, delivers great comfort and strong support for outdoor use. Built with a tough steel frame and double-layer 600D polyester fabric, it offers a firm yet breathable surface for a good night's sleep. With a weight limit of 500 pounds, it can hold both adults and kids, making it a great fit for camping, hiking, or even relaxing in the backyard. It folds up easily for compact storage and comes with a carry bag, so it's simple to move around. It also features a soft padded pillow and a side pocket, which makes it even more convenient by letting you keep your essentials close. Designed for comfort in any season, the Alpcore XL Camping Cot is an ideal portable sleeping option for both indoor and outdoor use. Hunter Nature NTR 5X is a standout off-road caravan that blends luxury with a compact build. Though it has a modest look from the outside, the inside is spacious and well-designed, featuring leather-covered walls and a 400 amp-hour lithium battery that supports long off-grid stays. It's powered by a strong solar setup, including three 205-watt Apex monocrystalline panels, giving you dependable energy no matter where you go. Built to handle tough trails, it comes with independent air suspension, Alco support legs, and BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. The kitchen is equipped with a Thetford refrigerator and cooking space, while the bathroom includes modern features, along with a 170-liter freshwater tank, a 100-liter gray water tank, and a Bluetooth rear-view camera. Romoto prototype is transforming the concept of caravanning. This cutting-edge travel trailer features a unique patented design that makes it easy to tow and expands into a large living space with just the push of a button. By rotating the cabin away from its outer shell, it reveals a deck that blends indoor and outdoor living while increasing usable space by 70%. The Romoto offers an automated setup, making camping hassle-free. Its design combines timeless aesthetics with premium materials. The production model is planned to be slightly longer for extra storage, while the interior remains practical and comfortable. Perfect for travelers who want the comforts of home, this innovative creation also includes a patio that doubles as an outdoor kitchen and dining area. THECATAL Smart Shell is redefining tailgate camping with cutting-edge design and innovation. As the world's first tailgate tent compatible with both electric and gasoline vehicles, it seamlessly connects to your vehicle's AC system, ensuring comfort in any season. Made from silicone-coated ripstop 70D nylon fabric, it is highly weather-resistant while remaining lightweight at just 26 pounds, making transport and setup effortless. Designed to accommodate 2 to 4 people, the Smart Shell blends functionality with luxury in a compact design. Currently available for $769, it delivers exceptional value for a truly high-tech outdoor experience. Wild Land Star Hub Tent is a portable pop-up shelter made for outdoor activities like ice fishing and SAW. It stands out for its quick and effortless setup, thanks to the sturdy hub mechanism developed by Wild Land. This tent is a great choice for spending time with friends, whether it's a group of anglers or a fun day with family. Its pentagonal design offers enough space for 4 anglers. The tent also comes with full thermal trap technology, which helps retain heat and minimize condensation, making it a perfect option for ice fishing or SAW. Built to endure harsh weather conditions, this tent is both durable and reliable. When it comes to pricing, the cost depends on where you buy it. On the cage shelf, the tent is listed at Sealander. You can add a fridge, a small stove, and even a sound system if that's your style. Hifts from a comfy motorhome on land to a floating home on water. You can sit back and enjoy the trip, knowing the Sealander is made from modern composite materials that are light, tough, and built to last. It handles scratches, sunlight, and water with no issues. And no need to worry about it tipping over, its special design keeps it steady and well balanced. The Sealander offers all the basics for cozy living. You can set it up with a bedroom, kitchen, and even a toilet. Wagon Top is a well-loved tent model from Nemo, designed with a special shape that offers a roomy interior and plenty of headspace. It's a favorite among families and groups who want both comfort and space while camping. One of its standout features is the tall, almost vertical walls, which give the tent a spacious interior with consistent headroom. This smart design makes it easy for campers to stand and move around freely inside. The tent's unique wagon top shape creates a large open space, unlike many tents that have sloped walls which limit movement. This layout makes the most of the available room. You can find the Wagon Top tent in different sizes, usually ranging from models for 4 people up to 8, so campers can choose the right one for their group. Trigano Santa Clara is a well-known motorhome awning made for campers who want a quick and easy setup. This makes it perfect for those who prefer to spend more time enjoying their trip and less time setting up. It comes in two height options, making it suitable for many types of motorhomes and campers. This ensures a good fit while providing a comfortable, sheltered space. While its exact weight isn't specified, its inflatable design suggests that it's lightweight and easy to store in a camper van. The Santa Clara offers protection from the weather. Its waterproof roof and walls shield campers from the sun, rain, and wind, creating a cozy outdoor living space. It's a great option for those who value convenience, simplicity, and extra living space at their campsite. Possible tent is a small and easy-to-carry shelter made just for pets. It gives animals a cozy and safe spot during outdoor trips and adventures. Built from tough, weather-ready materials, it keeps your pet protected from sun, rain, and wind. The tent also has good airflow to help your furry friend stay cool and comfy. It's light in weight and simple to put together, making it super handy for pet owners on the go. With features like mesh windows for fresh air and a zip-up door for easy entry, the Possible tent is great for hiking, camping, or any trip where your pet needs a space of their own. Right now, the Possible tent is priced at $300. Paxis Backpack is built for adventure. With a modern, smart design, it's great for hikers, birdwatchers, and photographers alike. Made from tough nylon and offering a 30-liter capacity, it's ready to face the outdoors. This backpack stands out with smart features like arc swing tech, easy one-handed pod access, and an ergonomic fit for all-day comfort. It also has plenty of pockets and storage, so your gear stays organized and close at hand. Whether you're climbing new trails or snapping amazing photos, the Paxis Backpack is ready to go with you. Step up your next outdoor trip with the Paxis Backpack, priced at $219. Paddleboard camping tent is a unique product for travelers who enjoy both water and outdoor camping. This stand-up paddleboard comes with a built-in tent, allowing adventurers to camp on boulders, lake surfaces, or even the roofs of cars. Known as the Bajo Cabin, it offers a versatile, all-in-one solution for anyone who wants the freedom to camp anywhere. The Bajo Cabin attaches directly to the paddleboard, making it easy to sleep on water, rocky surfaces, or land. It includes inflatable side pipes that secure the tent to the board, turning it into a floating or grounded campsite. Travelers can use the paddleboard as an inflatable mattress, letting them sleep comfortably on the water, by the shore, or even on top of a car. The tent is double-walled, which adds durability and insulation. It has 2 layers with air-filled side pipes that strap onto any paddleboard 11.6 feet or longer, creating a stable cabin extension. Watt Pods Teardrop Caravan is an affordable way to enjoy camping, with options you can adjust to suit your needs. Perfect for campers with limited space, this small trailer starts at just $22,995. Built for both strength and comfort, the Watt Pod comes with a double mattress, an 80-liter water tank, and smart features like an outside tap, a small kitchen with a wooden bench, and a shelf inside the cabin for added storage. You can also choose extra features like solar panels, a fridge, or a roof rack to make your camping trips even better. Whether you're going away for a weekend or a longer trip, the Watt Pod's Teardrop Caravan offers a warm and flexible way to camp, without spending too much. Autohome Airtop is the first rooftop tent that turns outdoor adventures into something truly special. It's incredibly easy to set up, transforming your vehicle into a comfortable sleeping spot within minutes. Thanks to its gas strut-powered automatic opening system, opening the tent takes almost no effort. Designed with ease of use in mind, it includes 3 doors with mosquito netting for airflow, internal straps to help with folding, and a secure locking system. The tent's durable fiberglass shell helps insulate against both heat and cold, keeping you comfortable in all weather and making cleanup simple. Priced at $4,500, this high-end rooftop tent offers a stylish and efficient camping solution for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor experience. Vista portable hammock your gateway to ultimate relaxation, no matter where you are. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or simply unwinding in your backyard, this innovative hammock and stand combo delivers unmatched comfort and ease. The Vista hammock is made from durable, breathable fabric, designed to cradle you in comfort. Its sturdy stand guarantees stability on any surface, from sandy beaches to rocky hillsides. Setup is quick and hassle-free, no trees needed. Just assemble the lightweight stand, attach the hammock, and you're all set to relax in style. Thanks to its compact and portable design, you can bring your relaxation station wherever your adventures take you. Say goodbye to uncomfortable camping chairs and hello to the pinnacle of outdoor comfort with the Vista portable hammock and stand. Shoal Tent. This innovative camping solution lets you sleep directly on the water. Its inflatable frame takes the place of traditional tent poles, making it lightweight and easy to set up. The interior is surprisingly spacious, with a standing height of up to 6 feet 3 inches in the center. For those taller than that, stretching out diagonally provides a comfortable fit while the water gently cradles you. The tent's fabric is fully waterproof and sealed, ensuring a dry and cozy sleeping experience. It's like resting in a luxurious bubble right on the water. The tent topper is also waterproof and well sealed, creating a snug interior that stays completely dry. With standing room of up to 6 feet 3 inches, it's perfect for camping on ponds, rivers, or even saltwater flats. The durable design features a high-pressure drop-stitched floor, which serves as both a stable base and an air mattress. JetBoil. Genesis Base Camp System is a premium all-in-one cooking setup made for car campers and anyone who values convenience without adding too much weight. This dual-burner camp stove delivers 10,000 BTUs of power, giving you the flexibility to go from a gentle simmer to a full boil, ideal for making anything from coffee to stews. Its compact design folds up neatly, and the system includes a 5-liter flux pot, a 10-inch ceramic-coated nonstick fry pan, and a lid that fits both. It also features a JetLink port, allowing you to connect other JetBoil-compatible stoves to build a larger camp kitchen. The JetBoil Genesis Base Camp System is usually priced around $399.99. GOLO. Go Camp is an innovative electric bike that transforms into a compact recreational vehicle, offering a unique combination of comfort and portability. Developed by FIC Technology from the Netherlands, it's built on a recumbent e-bike chassis and features a modular design that includes a comfortable, protected living space. Ideal for solo travelers, the Go Camp comes equipped with a hardwood table, a folding canopy, and a day bed that converts into a cozy sleeping area. It also includes built-in shelves for storage, a mini fridge, a 400-watt solar panel for power, an awning, and mosquito netting for weather protection. Thanks to its 1000W battery and 250W pedal assist motor, the Go Camp can travel up to 31 miles on a single charge. For adventurers in search of a sustainable and versatile travel option, this solar-powered recreational vehicle is priced around $970.